So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize Qwen to actually go ahead and create a fitness workout and a diet plan for you. So let's say, for example, you want to say, I want to become stronger in the next 3 months. My weight is 55 kgs. My height is 5 feet and 6 inch right here, just like this. And then this is what I have right here. So if I were to go ahead and then press enter, then what happens is that it actually goes ahead and says you're taking your first step with stronger structured plan for over 3 months. So now you can see that it says goal for next 3 months, improve your overall strength and build a lean muscle and enhance fitness and energy levels. So it gives you a training plan right here, like a weekly schedule, which is 5 to 6 days a week. So from Monday to Sunday, you can see that it says full body stretch, it says compound lifts, then you got conditioning right here, then you got upper body strength, then you got active recovery, mobility, lower body strength, upper body strength, and rest or light activity, as you can see right here. So here are the sample exercises, like it says full body is squat, push-ups, bent over rows, overhead press and plank, and conditioning, which says jump rope, burpees, mountain climbers, and sit-ups right here. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and prepares an exercise plan for you. Also, it gives you a nutritional plan, like for example, it tells you to intake some protein, carbs, and so forth. It is always a good idea to actually go ahead and take actual health expert's opinion, but it gives you an overall like outline of what you can actually do to actually get more fit. So that is how you can actually utilize Qwen as a fitness workout and a diet planner as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.